Well, hello guys. So now it's time when I really have to launch the next campaign in this digital marketing project management program. And this campaign is going to be a performance max campaign. This one, the campaign that we have not really launched in this account yet. So here's the Google ad interface. So far, we only have two campaigns running in this account. The first one was a search campaign, a campaign which shows the ads when people types in anything on Google like buy jewelry online, or they can also type in buy 3D cherry earring. This is a product that we are selling on the website. On the other hand, we also have a shopping campaign. This campaign by the name of Springtail Shopping, and this shopping campaign shows the ad again on Google in the top in the product listing ads. So these ads are coming from the shopping ads, and if we get any text ad, let's say the text ads comes from the search campaign. So we have two kind of campaigns running in this account, search and shopping. Now it's time to launch the third campaign. Now the third campaign that we really have to launch is a performance max campaign. Now the biggest challenge that you really have to think about when launching the campaign is to pick the campaign budget. How much budget is needed? For budgeting, we always have to get into the media plan. A media plan is an entire plan of the project that tells us how much amount we have to spend on the monthly basis for any particular campaign. In fact, it tells us how many campaigns do we need to have, what impressions, conversions, average bidding amount, clicks we are going to receive once we run the ads. Anyway, so here we have this performance max campaign. The most important part of the performance campaign is that this campaign runs on all the inventories of Google. Now, you can ask me what all inventories do we have? So let me just take you on this new campaign button. And here we have to go with any of the available goals. Let's say we go with sales goals because here the objective is to drive sales. Then we go with available conversion goals, click on continue. And this option is a performance max option, which says reach audience across all of the Google with a single campaign, which means this single campaign is going to show the ad on all the inventories of Google. So if I talk about the inventories of Google, it starts with Google search, google.com. This is the biggest inventory of Google. Then we have YouTube, second inventory of Google. We have Google Maps, third inventory of Google. We have Gmail, fourth inventory of Google. We have Google Discover, fifth inventory of Google. Discover is an app, by the way, guys. If you have an application, if you have an Android phone, then this Google Discover looks something like this. Here we have a Discover app. Okay, some people might get confused. So any app that you have in your phone which says Google with the Google icon is a Google Discover app. And then finally we can show the ads on third-party websites, GDN partner sites. Websites like NDTV is a Google partner site. You go on this website and you can find an ad running somewhere on the top. If not there, then maybe at the bottom which says ads by Google. So this is a Google partner website. You go to OLX, you go to Times of India. Think about any website in this world, guys, or any apps. Most of the apps are the Google partner apps. Anyways, so when the idea is to show the ads on all the inventories of Google, then we have an amazing campaign by the name of Performance Max campaign. And in this video, we are trying to make a Performance Max campaign. Cool. Now, when we make Performance Max campaign for any e-commerce website, then we have to choose the Merchant Center account. And we shall always be having the approved products in the Merchant Center. So right now we are going with this Merchant Center account. The campaign name could be, let's say, Performance Max campaign. Okay, I have a nomenclature which is Spring Tails _ Performance Max. Okay, we don't need to write the campaign here. I guess we know that we are making a campaign. So we click on continue. cancel out this option, click on start new, and here we are getting into making the conversion performance max campaign. Now the most important part, the bidding strategy for a performance max campaign. So whenever you think about a performance max campaign, you can only go with two available bidding strategies. The first one is conversions and the second one is conversion value. You don't have an option of having maximize clicks, target CPA, maximize conversions. You don't have the normal bidding strategies of the account. So this time, let's say we go with conversions. We set a target, which means we want a conversion to happen at the cost of, let's say, 100 rupees. So in 100 rupees, we want one conversion to happen. That's what we are looking for right now. Otherwise, we can also go with another option that says conversion value. And here we have to put the returns, how much returns we are looking. Now, when I talk about returns, then it's always in percentage. So let's say if I spend, okay, 100 rupees on this campaign and I want returns of 400%. Let's say after 100 rupees, I want to sell products which gives me a, a sale of 400 rupees. Then I type in 400 as the returns. This means returns of 400%. I guess it's difficult to tell you in this way. Okay, so let's say, okay, what is ROAS? So let's say for this entire account, for this entire plan, if we spend 40,000 rupees in our advertisement cost, this is the cost for advertisement. And if we want Google to make a return of 4x, which means 4 times, then eventually Google will try to perform all the campaigns in a way where we make a sale of 1,60,000 rupees. Now, this ROS does not apply on all the campaigns. So let's say if we talk about only the performance max campaigns where we have a monthly budget of 4,000 rupees. So if we spend 4,000 rupees in this campaign and go with keeping a ROAS of 400%, then Google will try to drive the sales of worth 16,000 rupees. I guess now it's a bit clear. Anyways, it could be still confusing for some people, but then you have to spend some time to understand how does ROAS works. Then we click on next. We click on location. Now, in terms of location, we can start off with Delhi, Noida, any top tier cities of India. In fact, we can also target India, but right now I'm just going with Delhi, Noida, Gurgaon, let's say, or what else? Yeah, that's all. Then if I scroll down, I can just see we don't have to worry about multiple other settings. I can click on next. Go to let Google AI help you generate assets. This is something that you can use in these days to create the ad copy by using AI, which is in beta. Yeah, it's in beta right now. Anyways, so I can click on skip. Now I can manually create an ad group. The ad group name could be, okay, so right now I just want to run the ads for one single product via this ad group. So I can name this ad group as 3D cherry earring. Now this one is the product I'm talking about. By the way, guys, it's totally up to us. If we want, we can promote all the products in a campaign. If we want, we can have multiple groups having multiple products in it, depending on how we want to run the campaign. So right now, I just want to start off this campaign with one single product promotion, which is a 3D cherry drop earring. Cool. So now I have to choose, go to all products, use a selection of product, choose this product. Now, how do I choose this product? And this is the same way of choosing the product in a shopping campaign as well, where we have to decide what the criteria. If we choose the product by category, by brand name, item ID, condition, so we have to find a unique identifier, a unique way of choosing this product. And right now, the only unique way which we have over here is the item ID. And then we have to find out 3D cherry earring. So let's say I type in cherry, so I can find out the name in this product. So now I have selected item ID, then I can simply choose the product name. It says this is the product. I click on save. So now this group is only going to promote one single product inside it. Now business name can be Springtails. This is fine. This is the logo, even though it's not the right logo, but I'll change it after a while. Final URL. Now what has to be the final URL? This is really required. So when you think about promoting one single product, we can put in that product link as the final URL. Otherwise, we can go with the website homepage URL. Then calls, no, we don't want to generate any phone call. Headline could be, okay, so I can simply go to the product, copy the title of the product, paste it over here, and take couple of words from the product title and put it in the headlines. Or I can also click on this generate headlines by using the product content, by using some Google AI help. I'm not really good with writing the content, so let's say I go with all of these headlines recommended by Google. Let's go with a couple of additional ones. So now the headline seems okay. The ad strength is still poor. And by the way, guys, whenever you think about creating a new ad, you always have to target having the excellent ad strength. And you get excellent ad strength by adding the images, videos, descriptions, everything that PMAX campaign asks for. And here you can also see the inventories for PMAX campaigns. Ads are going to show up on Google search, display, YouTube, discover, then Gmail. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inventories. Display is going to have the entire Google display network. Anyways, then we have to create the headline. Let's say again, click on generate long headlines. Use the same title. Oh my god, no suggestions available. Give me a second. I have to find out some more information. Okay, so I can just like take the description, click on generate. Let's say if Google can help me with any set of descriptions. Yeah, so Google provides me two descriptions. Let's say I paste the third one by myself. Gold angle earring package. Cool. The image strength is still poor. I need to add a couple of more headlines. Oh my god, why the hell Google is not creating good headlines for me? So let's say I copy the entire description. Okay, this seems fine. Put it over here and see if Google can create some additional headlines. Now I have a couple of headlines. Okay, so here I complete 4 headlines. By the way, we can have up to 15 headlines, the main headlines in the Performance Max ad copy, and 4 descriptions. In fact, 5 descriptions. I'm sorry. Okay, so we have 3 things. 15 headlines in 30 character limit. This is written over here. Then we have 5 long headlines within 90 character limit. And then finally we have a description, in fact 2 descriptions in the 60 and 90 character limit. This is very different that we have the normal search campaign. In normal search campaign, we have 15 headlines and 4 descriptions. And I really forgot the numbers. Even though I had it somewhere in the mind, but I totally forgot while making this ad copy. Anyways, then short description. Again, I can go to generate descriptions, type in anything that I have posted over here, go with these 2 descriptions, put it over here, remove the, okay, any additional work. Oh my god, I need to have 5 of these headlines. Okay, let's say if I add 2 more, and finally I can just copy the content from here. Now I know I shall not be doing the work in this way, otherwise I mean I may get penalized. Anytime when you think about creating these copies, then before thinking about making the campaign, you shall be having these copies, these content saved somewhere in the Excel file. Ideally, I shall also be following the same theory. I shall be doing it the same way, but I just don't have the right time right now, that much of time, so I'm just going with this way. Now, generate images. How do I generate the images? So I can either describe or I can provide the link of the URL, which means of the website, and ask Google to generate links for me. Oh my god, Google is generating different links. So this is the link of image of the product. Yeah, I can click on save. So Google has given me only one image so far. Okay, I need to add more images. Now how do I add more images? Because if I look at here, I have a few images, by the way, so I can just take some screenshots. This is a nice image. This one looks pretty okay. That one is the video, and this one also looks peak-talk to me. Okay, let me just go with okay, it's one of the same images. I can just take this image as well. Cool. Then I can go to upload, click on upload from my computer, click on recently taken screenshots, and push all of these 4 screenshots. And here at least I am gonna have the 4 to 5 screenshots for this campaign. Cool. So now I have good number of images. I can simply click on save, and here I have up to 8 images. Ideally I shall be having 20 images, but I'll be adding additional images after some time. Videos. Now Google asked me to add couple of videos. Okay, I have this video, but it's only uploaded on the okay, this video is uploaded on the website. I need to have a okay, I need to have a video saved on my computer, or I need to provide the YouTube link as well. Okay, let's see if I can download this video. Okay, this is fine, and upload it into my computer. Okay, you selected one or more videos to upload. Videos must be uploaded to YouTube before they can be added to the campaign. Okay, on your channel. Okay, I'm just uploading this. Oh my god, I can't upload it over here. So okay, I can upload this video in the Springtail channel. Pretty okay. I can click on upload. It's gonna take a while, take a couple of more seconds, and then oh my god, I don't want to wait, really. It's making me crazy. Oh god, why the hell it's taking this much of time? My internet speed is pretty okay. Let's see if I click on save. Okay, maybe it's gonna take some time. Video still uploading. Then we have to add the site links. Now site link is something which I shall already be having in the account. Okay, I'm not worried about site link right now. Let's see. Let's say we add it after a while. Call to action could be automated, or we can name it shop now. The most important part, search themes. This is the option that you get in the Performance Max campaign only, and this search theme asks you to provide some recommendations at what themes Google allows ads to show up. So it says signals provide valuable information about the people you want to reach. They help guide who sees your ad on Google search, YouTube, and more. What are some words or phrase people use when search for your product? So in our case, we can go with, let's say, 3D cherry earring. This is one of the themes. This theme seems pretty okay for now. We can go with multiple additional themes as well, but right now I just want to go with one single theme. Audience signal does the same thing. If I have any data, this is used when we go with any remarketing campaigns, which we are not doing right now. So I can simply skip this option, click on next, and finally we provide the daily budget. Now how much do we have to add over here? Now I guess you know, if you have watched the previous video, that daily budget is something that we have to decide way before, you know, launching the first campaign. This is what we decide when we are making a media plan. So here we have a monthly budget of 4,000 rupees, which means a daily budget of 133 only, 133. That's it. I can click on next. Over here, then it says headlines are identical. Okay, it wants me to make some changes. Headlines are identical. Oh my god. So let's see where I have left the identical headlines. 3D red cherry drop. Okay, now it's not identical. The ad strength is average. I will be again coming back to the campaign and making the change in the ad strength. Then I can click on next. I can go with the existing budget of 133 rupees. Click on next again. And here I can simply publish the campaign. Okay, now it's getting published. May take a while, maybe a couple of minutes. Perfect. So now we have three campaigns available in this account. We have a Okay, so we have a search campaign which has received around 70 clicks so far. We have a performance max campaign, the one that we just launched, has not received any impression or clicks. And finally, we have a shopping campaign which has received around 315 clicks after spending 2000 rupees. Cool. So now it's time when we can end this session. But before I do so, I would want you to do something. If you are a member of this training, a member or maybe a trainee, then I want you to make, okay, a couple of exercises. Make two groups, first for airing, no, okay, I have not added any activity. Okay, for members, I want you to, let's say, add, okay, add more images to the ad copy of performance max campaign. Performance max campaign, this is the activity number one. Secondly, okay, increase the ad strength, RENGTH, from to excellent. Okay, so now I can assign these two tasks to someone from the interns or members. Let's say I assign it to, okay, I don't think I have added a name, all the names here. So I can assign this activity to Chelsea. Chelsea Gupta is here, Chilsy, Chelsea Gupta. Okay, she has not started doing the activities. Even if she did, she was not added into this trainees list. So I'm simply adding Chelsea over here so she can start doing this activity. I want Chelsea to now make these two changes in the Performance Max campaign. I shall be seeing you guys in any other video.